receiving 100 leads, email leads per day at only $1 per day. Are these good leads? Are they leads that are going to convert into sales for you? That's what we're looking at as we check out the month of February for My Lead Gen Secret. Hey, I'm Jeff Beeman Online. Welcome to the channel. If you haven't been here before, welcome back if you have. And we are doing our weekly update. We're a little bit behind, but a few days behind, but we're doing our weekly update for My Lead Gen Secret to see where we ended up at as far as sales converting in February and where we're at starting the month of March. So with the My Lead Gen Secret program, just give you a quick overview. It is a mailing system, email mailing system platform. And all you do once you become a member is you come into the mailing system and you select the leads that you want to send to. You'll be given 100 leads per day. I'm actually on 200 leads per day at this time because as an affiliate, I have resold this program, and that's one of the bonuses. You get a $5 commission for every time somebody buys from you, and you get a 100 extra bonus leads to go with your 100 leads that you get daily. So if you put that a little bit of math to that, if you're only at the 100 leads a day, you're still looking at an average of 3,000 leads per month. If you do boost it up by selling the program, then you're at 200 leads. That's 6,000 leads on average per month. So those can add up pretty quick, and they have for me over time. And I've got 2 accounts that I actually work with. So this account currently is at 96,700 leads, and my other account is around 46,000, I believe. So I run both of them the same. I run both of them with the same emails going out. And normally, sometimes I'll change up the PS, but a lot of times I'm using the same PS for these leads, and that is what we do to make our sales from using the My Lead Gen Secret email leads. So these are all saved emails here that I've used over time. And all I do is I just rotate through them. I look at this one and say, this is the one that I used yesterday. So now I got to go find the one, what's next in there. And then I just hit load if that's the one I want to use. And that email goes in here, and then I can make any quick changes if I want to change my PSs down here, or if I need to change the email completely and try to promote something else, which kind of detours you from using the same email. So keeping it quick, simple, and hassle-free. You pick your email, you hit load, you go down, you double check it, and you hit perfect timing right here. And then you have to wait. I've been mailing mine out in the morning, so I've got 9 hours to wait. You can mail out every 23 hours, and you're all set to go. All right. Statistics, just give you a quick idea where we stand on what kind of email open rates and click rates are we getting. So this is the one that we just sent out this morning, and so far 2,000, almost 3,000 of them have been opened out of the 96,700. So an open rate of 3%, almost, well, 3.1%. We've had 72 clicks, so 2.43 on the click rate. Okay. You can look at some of these that have been sent out, the past few days. Sometimes it takes time for people to catch up with their emails, going through, deciding what they want to get rid of, or go ahead and open. So here's one that's done pretty well at 5,200. This one down here has done pretty well at 5,000. This one at 4,850. And clicks, as you can see down through here, click-through rates opens 6.56. So anything, I think, with this type of email system, anything in the 4 to 5% range is probably average and doing pretty decent. 6 is a little above. So yeah, you're in the ballpark with these emails, even though they are cold emails. You didn't bring them in. They don't know why you're emailing. They don't know why you've sent them an email. More likely you're ending up in their promotions folder. They're going through, they're picking out something and saying, oh, that looks interesting, before they get ready to delete everything else, and they click on it and they like what they see, so they go in and check it out further, then possibly purchase. All right, so where are we on our sales? I'm going to come over here to ClickBank. ClickBank is where we pick up our main body of email, and the bigger, well, not necessarily always bigger, but the main item that we sell through the main copy. Okay, so as you can see here, we are in March, and this is right here, some February 25th. We'll go back a little bit further in February. So we had a few days here with nothing, so we have finally kicked off March on the 2nd. March the 2nd, 2026, we have one sale, and it's $12.51, which is our average across the board. So if I want to go back and I want to say, okay, well, how did I do in February? So we can go here, get it on the right dates. We'll hit apply, and we'll see that we had 3 sales in February. I was hoping we were going to pop one more right at the end of February here on the 28th, but it didn't happen. It took 3 or 4 more days, so it was a little slow coming through February. And as far as maintaining a once a week sale, so $12.51, $12.51, $12.51, $37.53, and I'm on a threshold of $22.52. So my threshold with ClickBank is $50. Once I hit the $50 mark, then they send, or I can request it, or they send it over to my PayPal. All right, so that's where we're at as far as sales go. And as I showed you, as we got started in March here, we did have that one sale yesterday, so we've got March up and running. We'll see how we get finished as we get into, or we'll see what we're looking like as we get into next week. All right, so my lead gen secret is the program. If you would like to join our team and work with this system as well, and we will go into more detail with you as to how to build this up, how to scale it up, and put more of your options, give you more possibilities for making more sales. So just let us know that you have become a member under our link, and that link will be down in the description area. And you're looking at it and saying, $12.51 per sale, that's not a lot. That just happens to be the ClickBank product that I use. Go over here to Marketplace, see how fast this loads for us. eBusiness, eMarketing. And it's right here on the front page of ClickBank, this one right here. There is another one, Live Chat Jobs. This one has a $1 trial in it, and you do not make any money off the $1 trial. But a few days later, after the trial, they get charged for the full amount, and this one will actually make in the $20 range. Now, if you still say, no, that's still not enough to get me excited, then I will introduce you to the system that I'm using that gives us unlimited $25 commissions. So this system, 2K Profit System, gives you to start off at the pro level, you would be $25 unlimited commissions. And the unique part of the 2K Profit System is that once you make your first sale, you pay, and the admin gets paid, then that $25 commission comes directly to you immediately. You do not have to wait for a payout. As soon as it's paid, they actually pay you directly. They pay their admin to get started, and then anything after that is just $25 as many times as you can sell it. Of course, there are mid-ticket, $300, $1,000, I believe, and $2,000 for high ticket, and they work on the same principle. So if you were to be in the 2,000 mastery level, then you would sell that and you would receive that $2,000 immediately. It's paid directly to you, to whatever cash app that you want to use, PayPal or whatever works. and then you would be all set for that commission. So that link to take a look at the 2K Profit System will also be down in the description area and possibly on the pinned comment down in the comment section. So make sure to take a look for that. All right, so that takes care of us as far as our update for February, and we've got our one sale for March ready to rock, and we will be getting that information out here on this video. Get this video posted. We will see you again next week for another update. Take care.